The topic of today's video is how to fix sync issues with Cal AI. Alright guys, so please do keep in mind that Cal AI is a paid app, so you need to have a paid subscription. Of course, if you don't, everything is going to stop working, though it will prompt you to renew your subscription. Alright, so assuming that's not the issue, I would say restart your device, but before we do that, we want to do the general Android fix, which is to long press on the app and then click on app info. First thing we're going to do is check our permissions. Make sure we have still given access to the camera. So just click in camera over here. So you can see the camera is allowed. Next up, we want to stay in here and we're going to just go one back and we're going to go to storage usage and clear cache. All right, and once you've done that, restart your phone, give it a try again, and see if your Cal AI sync issues are fixed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.